Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to crochet a new version of my popular skull earrings. Some of you may remember that I already shared a similar tutorial on my channel, and if you missed it, I've added the link to that original video in the description below. These earrings are slightly different in design, but the idea is the same. I hope you'll find this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. Let's get started. For this project I used yarn art named Lily 100% cotton mercerized, and it has 50 grams for 225 meters. The hook I used in 1.5 millimeters. First of all, we crochet 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then into the 5th chain, 3rd chain from the start, we crochet again, double crochet. Then we crochet 5 chains. 3, 4, 5. One double crochet into the 2nd chain. One chain and another double crochet into the 1st chain. Here we go. This is our first row. So the 2nd row we make a slip stitch into the loop, and here we make 4 chains and double crochet, then 3 chains and make 7 double crochet into this loop. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then again 3 chains and into the last loop make a double crochet, chain and double crochet. Into the 3rd row we make a slip stitch, then 4 chains, 3, 4, and double crochet into this loop, then 3 chains, and we make a slip stitch into the 1st double crochet of the previous row stitch, then 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7 chains, and a slip stitch into the last double crochet of the previous row. So then again 3 chains, and here into this last loop we make 1 double crochet, chain, and 1 double crochet. So great. The next step we make again slip stitch, 4 chains, double crochet, and again 3 chains, into this big loop we make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again 3 chains, and here double crochet, chain, and double crochet. So here what we have, this is our skull face. Here you see this is the mouth, and we continue. And we turn over, slip stitch, then 4 chains up, 4 double crochet, then 3 chains, then we make 4 slip single crochet, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we make 4 chains, 4 chains. We skip 1 chain and make 4 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 3 chains, and in the last loop double crochet, double crochet, chain, and double crochet. Then in the next row we make slip stitch, 4 chains, and double crochet, and 3 chains. Then here we crochet 1 double crochet into the first single crochet of the previous row. 1 double crochet, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into this loop we make single crochet but not finish it, and yarn over and make a half single crochet here. And when you have 4 stitches in the loop, we crochet all together. Here we go. Then again 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the last single crochet of the previous row make a double crochet. Now you can see the skull, this is the eyes, and we continue 3 chains, double crochet, chain, and a double crochet. So here what we got. The next row we crochet, slip stitch into the loop, slip stitch, then 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet into this loop. Then again 3 chains, 3 chains, and into this 1 loop we skip. Into this loop we make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And the next step is we make 1 and here single crochet together. I will show you. Yarn over, make a loop, and from the other loop to the yarn and make it all together. Here we go. And then you make a single crochet 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then 3 chains, and into the last loop, double crochet, chain and double crochet, turn around, slip stitch, 3 chains, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet, then 3 chains, and here we skip 2 chains and making 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. They will be right in the center. Then 3 chains, double crochet, chain and double crochet. Turn your work. In the next row, as usual, slip stitch, 4 chains, 3, 4, double crochet, 3 chains, and here we skip first chain. In the second, we crochet 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then again 3 chains, and then double crochet into the last loop, double crochet, chain and double crochet. Then turn and work, and here make slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 1 double crochet, and connect it to this loop. Connect everything to this loop. Here with a slip stitch here, and we finished our skull. So now you have to do we'll have to do these beautiful edges. So for this we make a 1 single crochet into this loop, second single crochet, and make a picot. Make a 3 chains, and here into these 2 loops we finish with a slip stitch. This is called picot. Then we make 1 more single crochet and we continue. Into each loop we have to crochet 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet with a picot, and another single crochet into each loop, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, picot, 3 chains and connect it with a slip stitch, then again 1 single crochet, and into each loop here I'll show you again single crochet, again single crochet, 3 chains, slip stitch into these 2 loops, hold it right here, and another single crochet. So please make it till this point. I will show you how to crochet here. I will come back to you when I'll be at this loop. So I came back to you, and here, as you see, I made it till this loop, and to continue, nothing special. You continue just here, you don't do anything, and into this loop you continue as usual. And this yarn I will hide inside. One single crochet, again 1 single crochet with the picot, and again 1 single crochet, and into the next loop we making the same single crochet with the picot, and single crochet into each loop till this loop. We're at the end, and here we crochet 1 single crochet, 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 single crochet, and a slip stitch into this chain. That's all. We cut the yarn and finish. Now we need to iron this motif to make it look beautiful, and I will come back to you with the final result. And here what we got. You can make earrings from this skull motif, or just make anything you like and just use it as a decorate motif as you like.